This a normal day at El Krusty Krab.
SpongeBob, we need more Krabby Patties. I'm away, Squidward. Done. But what they didn't know, two villains were here. I turned into Flying Dutchman. This plan will be very good. How this plan gonna work? You failed the last couple of times. I know, but I know it'll work. Follow me. SpongeBob, more Krabby Patties. I'm on my way, Squidward. Just then, hurry! Ring, ring, ring. Plankton tractor is tracting. Plankton is near or on me. Next with someone else evil. Who is this time?
Wow, I didn't know that plankton tractor was so Pacific.
I made it myself. With my power of the Krabby Patties and my science. Start the floor. Wait, what? SpongeBob.
Yes, Squidward.
Can you make Krabby Patties that can float?
I think they could float.
Oh no.
Yeah. I'm following.
Do that. My bookmobile stopped working. My Krabby Patty. I was gonna get a refund anyway. No refund. Oh, you're just plain cheap, Mr. Krabs. Oh my God.
No, my gym socks. Me money. I just wanted a normal Krabby Patty. Money.
Hey, stay away from me, money.
And then something will happen.